Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. This is your Gemini Year Tarot Reader. So Earth sign, alamin natin kung ano ang iyong energy about your love life. Ano ang iyong love reading. Just a reminder, Earth sign, this is a general reading, so this may or may not resonate with you, so don't take it personally. This is just a guide. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Alamin natin kung ano ang iyong energy. Earth sign. Give me your main energy, Earth sign. About your love life. About your love energy. Give me your main energy. You have privilege, lady. This is something na yung energy niya, kung anong gusto niya, yun, kung ano yung naisin niya, yun ang makukuha niya. This is something na parang pabor sa'yo ang lahat. Ikaw ang masusunod. Decision mo ang masusunod. So, tignan natin, Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano ang iyong energy? Earth sign. Your love life. Four of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Wands. Seven of Pentacles. Eight of Swords. Six of Swords. So there's an air sign with swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius ang involved. With Wands, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. With Pentacles, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Tingin ko, you've waited for so long for the right person to come in your life. Parang inantay mo yung moment na dumating yung nakalaan na tao para sa'yo. Kasi siguro yung past energy mo, past life, naloko ka, nasaktan ka. Diba? You have the Seven of Swords and Eight of Swords. Hindi alam kung ano ba yung totoo sa relasyon nyo with your past energy. This is something na nagbigay sa'yo ng so much pain. And you try to move on from it. Diba? Nung nalaman mong niloloko ka, this is something na parang bigla-bigla kang nag-let go. Bigla-bigla kang nag-decide on your own na kailangan hindi ko to nararamdaman. Yung ganitong feeling betrayed, hindi alam kung ano yung totoong sitwasyon. Ano ba yung totoo kong nararamdaman sa person na ito? Ano ba yung posisyon ko sa buhay niya? Diba? Parang, this person gives you that confusion that made you realize na you don't deserve it, I have to move on. So ngayon, I'm seeing here as a privileged lady, you're trying to wait for the right person to come. Yung taong nakalaan para sa'yo, yung taong deserve mo, yung taong meant for you. So, tignan natin kung ano ang connection ng iyong main energy. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let us see. Ano ang connection ng iyong main energy? Naloko ka, nasaktan ka, alam mo na you don't deserve that treatment. Kailangan hindi ipinaparamdam sa'yo na parang hindi ka siniseryoso. So, you move on from that energy. And that's the right decision to make. Pag alam mong hindi ka pinapahalagahan ng tao, let it go. Find the one na yung deserve mo. Yung pahahalagahan niya rin yung pagmamahalan nyo. And may respeto sa'yo. Tignan natin kung ano ang connection ng iyong main energy. Earth sign, Give me your main energy. Earth sign, about your love life, give me your main energy. Okay, imprisonment. Yung parang there's something holding you back. There is something controlling you. Maybe your fear, takot na baka maulit-ulit yung nangyari sa iyong past relationship. This is something na nag-hold back sa'yo to move forward. Na be open for a new opportunity of love. Parang takot ka na masaktan ulit. Ayaw mo na ulit umibig kasi baka hindi ka na makahanap ng taong yung totoong magmamahal sa'yo. Ayaw mo nang ma-cheat, ayaw mo na nang niloloko, ayaw mo nang masaktan. Kaya there's an imprisonment. You're lacking your heart na magmahal ulit. Kasi alam mo, you deserve better and you're thinking na wala nang taong matino sa panahon ngayon. So, don't avoid that kind of attitude or energy. Diba? Don't lose hope. Diba? Try to consider, wait for the right person to come sa buhay mo. Maybe soon, kung yun ang destiny mo, dadating din yung person para sa'yo. Tignan natin ang Love Oracle. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. The Snake. Competition, enemy, other woman, di ba? From your past energy, niloko ka, nasaktan ka dahil pinagpalit ka sa iba. So, dapat, maaring kakilala mo kung sino man yung pinagpalit sa'yo, kakilala mo, pinagkatiwalaan mo, nasaktan ka. Ngayon, mas maging wiser ka. Piliin mo yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Photograph, looking at your photos. Maybe, just forget about your past. Huwag mong alalahanin yung pain, negative energy na dinanas mo, yung mga problem, challenges. Make new memories. Try to consider to make new memories in life. Try to open your heart. Don't close your doors from someone na deserve mo at deserve ka. Pag sinarado mo ang puso mo to find love, to have this kind of serious relationship, paano yung taong destiny mo? Twin flames, di ba? Your destiny, complement each other. Kung talagang hindi ka na open for a commitment, paano mo matatagpuan yung taong meant for you? You have the 7 of Pentacles. Wait for the right time to come. Be patient. The Butterfly, relationship evolving. Healing the inner child. Maybe pag ready ka na, take your time. Earth sign. Kung hindi ka pa handa, then so be it. Pero when the right time comes, kapag ready ka na, paganda ka na, na-heal mo na yung sarili mo, nakapagpatawad ka, then move on. If you are fully recovered, then don't close your doors na magmahal muli. Heart with a key. Welcoming love. Diba? Kapag fully recovered ka na, naka-moved on ka na, and na-heal mo na yung nasugatan mong puso, open your heart. Huwag mong hayaan na makontrol ka ng iyong past, matakot ka because of your fear na masaktan muli, hindi ka na willing na magmahal ulit. Try to open your heart for the right person. Hammer, sabotage, working on it, di ba? Alam ko, mahirap gawin, madaling sabihin na ayaw mo mag-move on. Pero you have to. If you want to have what you deserve, like the privileged lady, you have to consider how to move on. You have to be open for the possibilities na there is someone na meant for you, na destiny para sa'yo. If you close your doors, paano mo makikita yung right person for you? From angel guide, earth sign, communicate clearly. Diba? Sabihin mo yung totoong nais mo, mga plano mo, mga pangarap mo, mga gusto mo talaga. Huwag mong kontrolin yung sarili mo, yung puso mo. Dahil lang sa takot. Choose a new direction, new life, new path. And don't stop. Don't stop believing yourself na makakahanap ka rin ng taong deserve mo. Don't stop na magmahal muli. Huwag ka matakot dahil lang nasaktan ka. That is love. Diba? Yun talaga ang buhay. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Hindi natin maiwasang masaktan. Nasa sa atin na yun kung ma-overcome natin. Earth sign. Adjustments are required. With this new opportunity of moving on, adjustments are required. A time for healing. You have to let it go. Diba? Choose a new path. Communicate clearly. Diba? Kung may mga hindi na pagkakasunduan, diba? Communicate clearly. And you and your loved ones are safe. Meaning to say, don't stop believing in true love. So, thank you, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, Earth sign.